Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. This is Dr. Thulasi, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Vignan Nerula Institute of Technology and Sciences for Women, Palakaluru. Today I am going to discuss about Assignment 4 of OOAD. And I just want to remind you about the last date for registering this exam is 28th October 2020 and the date of exam is December 18th. So if you write the exam, if you qualify the exam, you'll get the certificate from the IIT Kharagpur. Next, coming to the few more details regarding the exam registration. See, if you go to the announcements and it is visible here, and the registration for the exam is open, and who has enrolled for this exam can register now. And the date of the exam is December 18, 2020. And the certification exam registration is exam form nptel.ac.in. And you can choose your cities also. And the last day to pay the examination fees is October 28th, 10 a.m. After that, you need to pay 1500 till November 2nd, 5 p.m. So I request you all to pay before October 28th. And there is a fee waiver for a few categories, and students belong to SC/ST category, and there is a 50% fee waiver. It means you can only pay 500. And students belonging to PWD category also, if the disability is more than 40%, you can also choose for this fee waiver. And last date for exam registration is November 2nd. See, after October 28th, you need to pay 1500 till November 2nd. This is regarding the exam registration, and the last day for exam is December 18th. Next, coming to the assignment 4, this is completely based on the linguistic analysis. Here, a passage is given regarding the movie show. So, my movie show is a digital movie player platform where viewers from different predefined set of countries can view movies from different countries. Each movie is identified by an unique movie ID. In addition to that, each movie contains the name of the movie and duration of it. Movie view options are different for different countries. A movie can be either free of cost, some countries are priced in others. A movie can also be non-viewable in some countries. And it can be viewable by kids in some countries but not allowed for kids in other countries. Viewers are of two types based on the age, adult and kid. A viewer of older than certain age defined by the country is treated as the adult, otherwise he is a kid. Adult viewer can view all types of movies, but kid user is not allowed to see the movies which are only for adult viewers. A country is identified by the name of the country and the unique country code. A viewer can add a movie to the watch list for the future viewing and also remove the movie from the list. It is not necessary to buy a movie with a price tag before adding it to the watch list, but buying that is needed before watching it. A kid viewer is not allowed to add to watch list or view a movie which are only meant for the adults. A non-viewable movie cannot be added to the watch list. Whenever a new movie is added to the system, each country will define its viewing option for the movie and will inform the viewers about the new movie is added. Viewer can also search for a specific movie in the system. If a user play a movie without adding it to the watch list, then the movie will be automatically added to the watch list. A viewer can view multiple movies at the same time and can keep track of the movies partially viewed. A viewer also keeps a list of movies bought from the system. And coming to the note, for a good system design of My Movie Show platform design, movie view option as a class with attributes, movie ID, access control and price. So this is regarding just like Amazon Prime, where you can go and you can add your movies and you can watch your movies if you are the Prime user. So here there is a restriction for age also, where the viewers can be divided into adults and kids. So based on this is a generalized example. We need to do some linguistic analysis. Based on this analysis, we need to identify the classes, key abstractions, responsibilities and attributes. We all know that the nouns of the passes are nothing but the classes, and in the all the nouns may not be the classes. Some of the nouns may be the attributes. We need to identify them, and verbs completely goes to the responsibilities. Let's see one by one. All the 10 questions are from this passage only. So coming to the first question. For a My Movie Show design, identify the classes from the options below. So movie view option, viewer, watch, country. These are the 4 options. Movie view option is shown in the passage, so it is one of the answer. Coming to the next one, viewer. Viewer is taken in the latter part of the questions as classes, so we are considering viewer. And next is the country. And coming to the second question, attributes of the country include. So we have discussed that attribute of the country can be identified by using the country code and name. So based on this, we have identified as the country code and the viewers list. These are the attributes of the country. Next, coming to the attributes of the movie, include movie ID and the duration of the movie. From the passage, we are able to know that. Next, identify the correct class hierarchy. Class hierarchy means it's just like a hierarchy. Hierarchy is nothing but a easy type of hierarchy. So kid is a kid, viewer, adult and kid. I have considered this. And because none other than supports class hierarchy, and viewer, in that viewer, adult and again will go down to the kid. So that's why I have chosen this. Responsibilities of a country include. So in the country, add a movie view option, whether the movie should be viewable by the adults or kids. That option will be given based on the country. Next, coming to the identify the collaborators of the movie view option class. And this, what are the movie options mean? Based on the country, the movie option will be specified, and based on the viewers. Okay, whether it can be viewed by the adults or the kids. Okay. So based on this, I have chosen these 2 collaborators. The movie view option going to collaborate with these 2 classes. Responsibilities of the viewer include. So he can add movie to the watch list. Before watching the movie, he need to buy the movie. These are the responsibilities. Responsibilities of the movie view option include. It can inform the viewers about the new movie. Attributes of the viewer include. Based on the age, he can we need to identify what is the age of the viewer, and based on the age, he can buy the movies. Identify the key abstractions from the following. Here, based on the passage, I have identified viewer and country are the key abstractions. Because age is not a class, age might be a attribute, and the movie access type is also not a class, it might be a attribute. So I have identified viewer and country are the key abstractions. Thank you, and subscribe my channel, and it's time to register for exam also. Don't forget to do that, so that if you forget, you won't get the certificate from IIT Kharagpur. So register for the exam. Last day to register is October 28th. Thank you so much.